We have barometer, pressure, thermometer. Okay, barometer measures pressure, thermometer measures temperature. Next is length is measured in terms of meters, time is measured in terms of seconds. Sailor, a group of sailors is called crew. A group of sheep is called flock. Horse, small horse is called pony. We have cow, small cow is called calf. Next, abode. Abode, we know boarding and lodging. Abode, it is dwelling. Next, vacant means it is other way called as empty. Attack, attack, opposite word. Here you can see word and synonym means same meaning. Word and antonym means opposite meaning. Opposite meaning. Attack, defend. Cruel, cruel means the opposite can be polite or kind. Polite or kind. Based on the options only. If in the question paper, if such questions come, MCQs, you will have 4 options. Based on that, you can select whether kind or polite. Okay. But only one of these 2 will be there in the options. But the small cow is called calf, like that. You can write in one word answers, you can write that. But MCQs maximum preferable in the analogy topic. Or match the following, something like that is preferable. Now you can see completely analogous pair. Newspaper, it is operated in press. Cloth, it is operated in mill. Next, doctor is related to patient as lawyer is related to. Doctor is related to patient as lawyer is related to. Because everyone cannot be called as criminal, because some representative may approach the lawyer, so that representative can be called as a client. So doctor, maximum patients will approach, but lawyer, the person approaching is called a client. Until decision is given, the person cannot be called as a criminal, so he is a client. Choosing the analogous pair, chalk and blackboard, you can write anything similar to this. Okay, it need not be ink paper, anything you can write, unless in MCQ, if this option suits, you can give this answer. Otherwise, similar relation, anything you can write in the next set. Double analogy for melt. Okay, bright the other way, melt the other way. So you can see here, freeze, opposite is melt, bright, opposite is dull. So choosing a similar word, sitar, violin, cello, it is guitar. Next, detecting analogies, judo, karate, and the other thing, all these are names of martial arts. 3-word analogy, magazine, story, article, a similar thing. This need not be the only answer. You can give any number of answers, provided if in the multiple choice, if this is available, other options are not suitable, then you can select this. Okay. And such things very rarely can be asked in the examination because it is difficult. There may be number of answers for this 3-word analogy. Now I'm going to number analogy. 3 has become 11. Okay, 7, how to convert this to another number? 3 will become 11, means 3 square plus 2. 7 means 7 square plus 2, which is 49 plus 2 is 51. Next, 324, it is exactly half. So you can write anything on the other side, 16, 8, 8, 4, 4, 2, like that, anything you can write. Okay, so 2, 1. We'll go with problem. Giant, dwarf, genius. Okay, giant means very height. Okay, dwarf means very short. Genius, opposite. Opposite is nothing in the mind. The option C is the correct answer. Next, newspaper, already we have seen. It is operated in press. Cloth will be done in mill, cloth mill. Next, anemia, it is a blood-related problem. Anarchy, it relates to government policies, stages, government policies. Next, cattle, group of cattle is called herd. Sheep, group of sheep is called flock. Okay, already we have seen this. Botany is a terminology for plants. Entomology is a terminology related to insects. Next, acting, which takes place in theater. Gambling, which takes place, the location is called option A, casino, gambling. Next question, identify the relationship between James Bond, Sherlock Holmes, Hercule Poirot. Okay, all these three people, they are characters in the detective fiction. Fiction means imaginary story. Fiction means imaginary story. And these people are characters in the detective fiction. James Bond, Sherlock Holmes, these people. Next, 11, 121, 0. What is the relation between these two? Similar relation. Similar relation. Okay, similar relation. Similar relation we have to find. Actually, 6 cube is 216. And then 729, it is different. 729. But 11 has become 121, 0. 11 has become 121, 0. A similar relation, it is 8 followed by 448. 8 followed by 448. Okay, I will come back to this later. Which set of numbers is like the given set? Which set of numbers is like the given set? If you see here, given set is 48, 24, 12. This is divide by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Similarly, divide by 2 takes place in option C. 40, 20, 10. 40, 20, 10, option C. Next is BEGK is related to ADFG. Okay, BEGK is related to ADFG in the same way as PSVY. PSVY is related to. Okay, first thing, BEGK and ADFG. BEGK. I need this. Just 1 minute. Okay, just I will proceed with the calculation. We have BEGK related to ADFJ. B number is 2, E is 5. Okay, B number is 2, E is 5, G is 7, then K is 11. And here A means just the previous. Okay, previous to B. Previous to B is A, previous to E is D, previous to G is F, and then previous to K is J. Previous to K is J. Similarly, what we can do, previous to P is O, previous to S it is R, previous to V it is U, previous to Y is X. O R U X. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Sorry, O R U X. Answer is correct, but it is in option D. It is in option D. B is R O U X. Okay, B is R O U X. That is not the thing. We got O R U X. It is in option D. It is available. I'm going to the next problem. Wrestling, karate, boxing. All this belongs to which category? The last one, judo. These are some martial arts or related to some games. And then here the next question, modern, category 1, category 2, old. You have to fill category 1, any of these 4 options you have to pick up. Category 2, any of these 4 options you have to pick up so that the logic followed will be, the rule will be satisfied. Okay. So you have modern on one side, old on the other side. So death cannot link to the modern or old. Okay. famous or civilization, if you take appropriate, the word should come in the category 2 also. Category 2, we have industrialization, young, fashion, western. Okay. So option in first category, if you take ancient, and the second category, if you take young, this modern and old will be satisfied. Modern and old will be satisfied. Okay. Ancient comes to old and young comes to modern. Okay. And we have AQ. AQ is our chosen options from category 1, category 2, and it is available in option A. Option A is AQ. Okay. Otherwise, if you take famous fashion or famous western, famous industrialization, this logic is not satisfied. Civilization young, civilization fashion, civilization western, okay, civilization industrialization, these things does not match modern and old. So the correct answer is ancient and young. Now I'm going to classification, finding the odd word. Finding the odd word.